The question is the demolition of the US dollar connected with some subject of 3 days. I know nothing about 3 days. No. What I do know is that Barack Obama is not there by chance. They put him there. They put a black man in the White House. And they put the black man in the White House to take blame. To be the guinea pig, to take the blame, because they know what's coming. I guess they're probably waiting for, the US dollar is already finished. It's in ICU, they're keeping it alive. They're waiting for a war, probably. And then they blame the war for it. And the US dollar will then collapse, Wall Street will witness its collapse, and then they will demonetize the US dollar, meaning it's no longer recognized as legal tender. And because so many countries hold stacks of US dollars, you can't buy oil in the world without US dollars. That's unfair, really. So all those US dollars that you're holding will suddenly collapse. China is going to lose most of all. Saudi Arabia is going to be losing a lot. And then they will replace the US dollar with another currency which would have a fraction of the cost. So on every $1 that you had, you're probably going to get 5 cents. White America is going to suffer massively. Black America is not rich. And when white America suffers this massive blow, the United States has a very curious law. In the United States, you're allowed to buy guns. Oh yeah? You can buy as many guns as you want, it's the law. So white America has lots of guns. So when the US dollar collapses, you're going to have fireworks in the United States. Fireworks, riots, killing, and they're preparing for it. But I don't know about the 3 days.